back to the channel. I'm Erica Lachey for the ones who are new. So I'm picking up the vlog like I said in the previous video, guys. So he said that we should go back. For the ones who didn't watch the previous video, I had bought some light bulbs and got the wrong one, guys, for my kitchen, and I picked it up from Lowe's. So I think we're gonna go back and exchange it out. So right now Keyson is in the bathroom putting up a shower thing. You put it up? You ain't put it up yet? Okay. And I was going to show you guys what I did in this bathroom right here. I'll show you guys when he get everything back together in here. You trying to get it right? Okay. Well, we'll be back in here in a few minutes. You still want to go or not?
You want to go.
You the one said that we was going.
Well, I know you really want to go. You're upset.
You want to go too. You want to see the daylight in the kitchen yourself.
I really don't care.
Yes, you do. So, guys, I don't know. This boy. I have no idea what we're going to do, y'all. I know I'm hungry, though. Keys. What are you doing? Y'all. I just had some money right here. Where my money at? Oh. Y'all. But anyway. Are we going to go or not? Let me see what time they close. Okay, we might have time to go, guys. They close at 8 o'clock, so whenever he's done. Y'all hear the shower? I think he got it on. It works? It work, Keys? I know you hear me, y'all. I need to charge up this camera. I only have like little one bar. Did I ever charge up the other one? Oh my goodness, y'all. It's still in my purse. I need to charge this one up too. Y'all, I need to charge this up just a little bit, okay? Y'all hear him? I had to come back to let y'all hear him.
Shay.
Did you really just call me by my name?
Shay. You know I call you Shay.
No, you don't. You don't call me no Shay. Y'all, let me show you real quick before I have time.
Your mama gave you some.
I know, but not for you to call me that. Because, all right, y'all. Look, this is how I did the shower curtains. Do y'all like this, or is it too much, or what?
She be too dang much.
I don't know. See, y'all, he put the little shower head thing on up there. That's what he was doing. But yeah, I gotta finish up this bathroom, y'all. I'm not done with it. It's just like the little start of it, but I still want to put a little bit more stuff up in here, like a picture on this wall or something, and something right here. So, what? Okay. The people got to come in and fix this fan thing. They came the other day, but I don't think they're done. But yeah, I'm still decorating in here, y'all. All right, I'm coming. So we just made it here at Lowe's, y'all. About to go in here and see if I can exchange this. I hope I can. If not, then I just hope I can get my money back or something. But let me just go in here and see if they have the light bulbs that we need. So, come on, you ready?
Yeah, 1 second.
I got my money back. Now, the one Keyshawn just gave me is broken. So, I'm gonna have to go back over here again and look again, y'all. This is a whole mystery, right? Like a whole... Right, y'all! We got the lights! It looks so much better! Look, y'all. It's brighter. It ain't that yellow light, but we do need to get one more, though, because we did leave one up there. But gotta go buy some more. But look, y'all, so much better in here, right? Y'all can see me better. I hope so. All right, let down the blinds. But y'all, I'm so excited. That yellow light was really getting on my nerves. I put my hair up in a bun, as you can see, guys. I'm helping Keyson too. He's trying to get his room situated now. It's a light right here. I didn't even know that. Hold on, let me see. Oh, okay. I didn't know I had a light right there. I'm still learning the townhome, guys. But I'm about to go up here and help Keeson. He just bought him a lamp to go in his room, and he's putting up some what you call that, LED lights. He said he might not need my help now. So all right, y'all, back in my room, watching my girl Maya, watching her. Guys, it's actually hailing outside. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'm talking the light. Oh, and I know. Ooh, it's lightning. Ooh, Kayla.
Yes, Mama.
He's not here.
I've been calling and calling.
It's hailing outside.
It's hailing.
Yes.
I was just talking about that.
Really?
That's what I hear in here.
Yeah.
I thought it was going off the fan. Open the door, child.
Open what door? This door?
Open the door.
Why?
How big is it hailing?
I don't know. I just hit my window and everything. Hey, y'all. So, guys. Hey, Stink. Why would we call him Stinker? Hey. Guys, I just got home. Just got home from work, right, babe? Y'all, I'm so tired. I am tired. Today was good at work. Legend, your glam is tired, okay? We just came back from the meat market, guys. Me and
First of
Keeson.
all, they don't give a dang. They want to see the king.
What?
The king is here. The king is tired. And the king
And the king is what?
is the king. Me.
Man, whatever.
Y'all, I'm tired. I really
And
am.
we're both tired. We had a good day at work, though.
I need to line up again.
Huh?
I need to line up.
I don't know what to do with this thing.
Nah, we really did have a good day. What's up, legend?
Yeah, we did. So, yeah.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
That was your phone?
Mm-hmm.
You about to go to sleep?
No,
I
I'm
might
about
take
to
a nap
cook.
too. Hungry. I mean, not hungry, sleepy.
Once again, y'all reaching for something. Say bye-bye. Let the world know you know how to say it. Say bye-bye.
I think they heard it on the other vlog. Say bye-bye. He just staring.
He always trying to act shy. Ma, this whole time this thing was not recording.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Wow.
It was recording.
Oh.
Y'all,
Why are you playing with me?
No.
Always messing with me. Ain't that right, Poodle? He always mess with me, right? Oh, y'all, I'm about to take a shower. And oh, Legend, baby, you walking behind me. Yeah, I'm getting ready to take a shower, and I'll be back. Guys, this is my work bag. Look, ooh, it's heavy because I be having everything in this bag. I left my umbrella at work over the weekend. But y'all, I'm having some goodies. I have my cranberry juice that I be drinking. And y'all remember the what you call it? The Powerade I was telling you guys about. Look, here it is. I still have it, it's still full, and it's cold. It's still cold. I'm about to put this in the refrigerator, y'all. Put it in the freezer and let it freeze up a little bit. Get some ice in it. But these are my little gloves I have to wear, y'all. I got my chips in here I'll be snacking on. And I got my Nivea hand cream, you know, my little cream or whatever. I use it for my hands though. And I got a comb and a brush in here. Comb and brush. What else? I'll be having my little flossing. Ain't that right, Legend? In here, I got some hauls. Just in case, you know, if I'm feeling under the weather or whatever, I need this. I have that. Yeah, I got some great lash mascara in here. Some deodorant. Ooh, okay, piece of paper. Tums, just in case, you know. What else I got? Oh, some more Tums. This, I only have 2 in here left. This is the chewable one. This is the one I really like. This boy. My lock I don't use. I have a locker at work. I was gonna put this on my locker. I never did it, but that's still in there. A face mask. Legend. What are you doing? Some more medicine. I think that's all that's in there. But in this part right here, I have like my work stuff, like my pens and lip gloss. My lip gloss. Yeah, my pens and stuff, my thermometer. Yeah, stuff in there. But what's in here? Got my little wallet. Come on now. Got my gum. Hand sanitizer. What else in here? Yep, mascara. Pen. I think that's it. I think another pen. Oh no, my eyelash glue. I think that's it, y'all. But that's all I have in this bag. Yeah, so it's a Tommy Hilfiger bag. Yeah, but that's my work bag, guys. Guys, I still haven't gotten in the shower, as you can see. I gotta throw some stuff away. Also put my Powerade in the freezer. And yeah, so turn on the light. The light is working great. I love it. So we went to the meat market and picked up some meat and stuff. Gotta put this stuff up. But is this trash? Not like trash. Oh, it's piecing and stuff. I'm gonna have to put this stuff out. But yeah, guys, put my Powerade up. I'll put that in the freezer. So yeah, guys, I need to take a shower though and relax. So that's what I'm about to do. Put up this stuff and take my shower and come back to you guys when I'm done. So yeah, I think we having nachos tonight. Y'all know we haven't had nachos in a minute, so we're gonna, you know, do something simple tonight. Because nobody don't be feeling like cooking. When we get off work, we be so tired. We be feeling like cooking, but you know, you found your way down here, y'all. We picked up this meat right here. Got like 2 packs of those. This is ribs. So we got 2 packs of those. We got some bag of chicken. Right. We got a bag of, yeah, we got bag of chicken right here. Huh? What? What you see? You see the light? Huh? You see the light? Yeah. Yeah, the light. You like it? Yeah. Be careful. Be careful. You love the lights like we do? You okay? You okay? Get up. Get up, baby. You need help? You got it? So silly. But yeah, guys, we got so much chicken. We just got the nacho sauce and all that in here. Huh? And we like getting the scoop chips. So we got that. And some more meat. And some drinks and stuff. Legend. Y'all, let me put this stuff up and go take my shower like I said. And I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Come on, Legend, let's go. Let's go. Let's go bye-bye. You gonna close it? Yeah, close. Y'all, good boy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I'm leaving you. I'm going upstairs. Let's go. Y'all, why he keep messing with me? Let's go, Legend. I'm gonna leave you down here. Come on. Come on, Legend. Let's go, okay? Y'all, look at the face. Can y'all see his face? Come on. Bye-bye. I'm leaving you. Oh, you telling me bye? Oh, so you gonna stay down here? Huh? You gonna stay down here? Oh, okay. Bye. Bye-bye. His relationship with his kids and his family. Say good morning. Good morning. Y'all, I'm getting ready for work. Legend getting ready for daycare. He have crackers in his hand. Say hi. So we're gonna have a busy, great day today, right? Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready to head out right now. What happened last night? We ate our food and I went to bed because I was tired, okay? But it's a new day. Legend excited for daycare. He's so silly, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys probably when I get off work. Okay? Right? Tell them bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye. Y'all. Tell them bye. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Huh? His nose itching. Can I have a kiss? Mwah. Thank you. Tell him bye. Say bye-bye. Guess he don't want to talk, y'all. Hey, y'all. So, guys, I'm on a break right now. Sneaking on, well, not really sneaking. Watching TV. They got the TV up loud, but, y'all, I'm eating a Twinkie. Snacking on a Twinkie right now. But, yeah, I'm just ready for this day to be over so I can go home. And, yeah, so I'm going to see you guys when I get off work.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
I'm furniture shopping again. Trying to see. Excuse the lighting. This is cute. Y'all see this? This is nice. I like that. So guys, I'm getting a massage right now. It feels so good. Ooh, this thing got me going back. I'm actually waiting on Keeson because he's trying to get a bed. Well, he actually getting a bed. So I did pick out a sofa, guys. Not the one that I was sitting on. It's another sectional that I'm getting. Y'all, they playing music. I'm trying to talk over it. I hope I don't get copyright. Hold on. But yeah, his bed and our sofa is going to be delivered next week. And y'all, I cannot wait to get it. Ouch, ouch, ouch. This thing hurt. Ouch. stupid, y'all. They keep talking about this movie.
She said, but I love a helping challenge. I said, man, this lady crazy. No way.
But y'all, we're on our way to get some food. I don't know. Keyshawn talking about going to go somewhere. I don't know where we're going. Keyshawn, slow down. Around this car. Keyshawn. See, he be doing stuff to get me up there, y'all.
Y'all know what she's getting for. Like, I don't.
You going around the curve fast like that?
It's not even a big curve.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
We're home. Y'all, sorry about the quality of my video. My camera died on me. So, I need to get another battery. Like I told you guys before, you need plenty of batteries. But, we just got back from, WMB Wings. And, we stopped at McDonald's.
Shut the freak up!
We stopped at McDonald's. Hold on. Oh, go ahead, Mom. Okay, yeah. We stopped at McDonald's for, Legend. Let me see you guys when I go upstairs. All right, guys, I'm upstairs now. Look, y'all got me a free frappe from McDonald's. I wanted this too, so yeah, they gave me a free one. So got that. About to eat my food, and I'm getting ready to end this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna charge up my batteries. My next video will be a better quality video. Okay, so. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.